My little girl, they're babies. Let's see, there they are. There's one of them. This is the head. And then, that's the body. And it's nursing. And there's the other one right there. That's the head. See, there's two right there. There's only two. I don't know if there's going to be any more or not, but so far there's only these two. That's Ozzy in the background. He's a little whiner puss. He wants to, like, get in there and say hi to them too, but Kiara will, like, eat him for dinner if he does that. She barely wanted me to put my hands in there. I didn't touch him yet because I'm letting her do her thing first, but I'm not going to touch him today at all, I don't think. No. They have to be clean. She's going to clean them up first. Oh, Mama Kiara! Good girl. That's a good girl, licking those babies clean. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Oh. Okay, bye.